Hello, my name is Farnaz Dargahi and I'm the option head for cloud computing option. In this presentation, I would like to give you an overview of the cloud computing and the courses in this option. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Here are some benefits of using cloud computing. The first one is agility. Cloud gives you the freedom to experiment and test new ideas. Getting from idea to implementation is much faster in the cloud. You may even find success with ideas that simply weren't feasible in the past due to hardware or budget constraints. With cloud, you're able to explore new avenues of business with minimal risk and expense and can test it with different configurations. The next one is elasticity. Before cloud computing, we had to guess about how much resources would be required to accommodate maximum usage peaks. When you guess, it's very likely that you will probably either buy too many or few resources. If you buy too many, you have wasted money. If you buy few resources, you will have downtime. With cloud computing, these problems go away. You can access as much or as little as you need and scale up and down as required. The next one is cost savings. With cloud, you can benefit from massive economics of scale and can achieve a lower variable cost than you can get on your own. And the last one is deploy globally. With cloud, you can deploy your application in multiple regions around the world. This means you can provide a lower latency and better experience for your customer simply and at minimal cost. Who is using cloud computing? Organizations of every size, type, and industry are using cloud for a wide variety of use cases such as software development and testing, disaster recovery, AI, and customer-facing web applications. In the provided link, you can see more than 3,000 companies who have used cloud and their use cases. As the adoption of cloud computing grows, so does the market demand for cloud computing skills. LinkedIn has ranked cloud computing as a top in-demand skill for the past 5 years. You can see LinkedIn's the most in-demand hard and soft skills report in the provided link. You may ask who has hired cloud graduates from BCIT. In the past years, some of the cloud graduates were hired by SAP, CloudReach, ElasticPath, and Fortinet. These are 3 courses that make up the cloud computing option. The first one you will take it in January, and the next 2 you will take it in September. The course outlines are available online and you can see week by week schedule. These hands-on courses are designed to teach you practical skills that matches with the industry demand. The first course, which is Cloud Computing Platforms, is where you would be introduced to the top 2 publicly available cloud platforms, which are Amazon Web Services or AWS in short and Microsoft Azure. Our main focus would be on AWS as they are the most popular cloud platforms in the world and there is more demand in the market for it. In addition, AWS has a dedicated team and services for education and provides free credit only to students to use AWS resources. In this course, you will learn how to build robust and highly available infrastructure in cloud using the core services such as VPC, EC2, load balancer, CloudFormation, and so on. DevOps is formed by combining the words development and operations. DevOps is a set of practices that work to automate and integrate the process between software development and operation teams so that they can build, test, and release software faster and more reliable. Infrastructure automation is a big part of DevOps course, and you will learn tools like Terraform, Chef, Ansible, which are the popular infrastructure and configuration management tools. Docker is one of the important technologies for DevOps. It allows you to bundle components together and deploy them on a container on any platform. You will learn fundamental of Docker container and how to develop and deploy modern applications with Docker software. We will use Docker Swarm and Amazon ECS as the orchestration tool to deploy and manage containers. Continuous integration and continuous delivery, or CI/CD, enables developer to produce application at a faster rate. Self-hosted options such as Terravis CI, Jenkins, Code Pipeline, Code Build will be used on some of the projects in this course. For operating system, you would mainly use Linux as it's widely adopted operating system for the cloud computing environments. In this course, you will learn how to build and deploy applications in the cloud without the hassle of managing the infrastructure. Serverless computing allows you to run your code without provisioning or managing servers and pay only for the compute time consumed. You would learn what are the differences between monolithic application and microservice-based application and how to design application based on microservice architecture. You will use AWS services such as Lambda function, API gateway, and serverless framework to build web applications using JavaScript and Python. We will work on practical and fun projects such as building a video sharing application and voice-based hotel reservation system. Machine learning services in the cloud such as Amazon Lex to convert speech to text will be used. You will develop several cloud-based applications such as Twitter bot, Slack channel app, and in the last day of the course, you will be provided an Amazon Echo Dot device. You will develop a skill for Alexa that allows doctor to query patients' health information by voice. So how is the class structure in this option? For each class, we have a lecture in the beginning of the class, which I explain the new concepts and the lab that you need to work on that. And we have a lab and assignments, which is your actual work, and it's all hands-on. Lab material would be provided to you. And we have a bi-weekly quizzes in the beginning of the class around 15 minutes. For each course, we have one project and you have a presentation at the end of the course. Thank you for listening to this presentation and hope to see you in my option.